So you know that I'm in Paris and I'm showing you Paris. So let's start Paris and see the beautiful attractions here. This is a really popular square in Paris. Did I actually walk 30 minutes for watching this? No way. I found something interesting here. When you press this button, it says numbers from 1 to 5, and if the light is not green yet, it will reply it again.
Industriel. Rouge,
Rouge,
citron, rue, des, immeuble, industrie.
Now it's green. So I bought these chips to eat. Evening is so beautiful here, but the streets are so dirty. It's really disappointed me. But I'm not talking about here. Here is really beautiful. The streets I was walking on it was so dirty. But hopefully these streets are main streets and they are all clean and it's better. See some beauty. One here is Palais de Fergus. As I'm visiting Paris, in some streets there are no any people, and in some streets you will see lots of people. And the places that have lots of people in it are the bars. Other shops always close 10 or earlier, but the bars are open until late. First rule: if you are in Paris, you don't have to buy water. You can come here and take water from here. It's normal and it's a drinkable water. That's not bad. It's tap water and it's free. That's really good. Weather here is so good. It's not cold, it's not warm, it's not raining, it's not windy. Everything is okay here. And the second good thing is that nobody approached me yet. Building here is Central Station in Paris. It's called Gare du Nord. Upstairs. Oh, there are still some stairs. I have to go. But this castle was the folk. This is the castle. I'm so tired, but it's worth it. It's so beautiful. I recommend you this one. Don't forget this one to visit if you come to Paris. I bought this one for just €4. That's really good and a good memory. I can put it on my refrigerator. Oh, look at that Triumph. Let's go further. Now this is Paris. This one here is Louvre Museum, the most popular museum for art in whole world. Now I have been to Paris and I want to share some experiences about Paris. Paris is not clean like other capitals. And I want to say that in Paris, buildings were awesome, as you can see, and prices are moderate, not that high, but affordable. And so, I want to warn you that I hope you will never ever go alone like me to Paris and walking there at night. It might be a little scary, even though it's safe, and don't trust anyone. So don't bring water. There is tap water on the streets. They are drinkable, and yes, and the restrooms are also for free, public restrooms. And I hope if you have ever been to Paris, or if you are going to Paris, you will share your experiences with me on the comments. So this video was about beautiful attractions in Paris, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you like Paris, like it and put comments. Don't forget it. And don't forget to sub if you want to be able to see my videos as the first person. Yeah. And if you don't want to miss any videos. Anyway, thanks for watching. Take care.